So looking for that drop lower again, express account right there, and then right here. So just trying to get out this account. Looks like within TP. Then over here on the real account, pause live account right here. So hitting down here, want to see it go down lower, and might take it off. Right here, definitely putting it break even, but hitting the we open the gap. So what I'm gonna do is probably close position as it comes back above here. So we take that right there. So that's that. Then that trade just hit. This trade still running in profit. Finna hit TP as well. So right there. Then we'll close that on the real account. Then we're gonna close that on the top step account as well. So top step express, you see right there. The other account that we're about to pass or just start. Then you can see the this trade as well. Do a full breakdown in the Discord, join, all that good stuff.
Super blessed. Super blessed was a great week so far. Like I said, profitable all accounts. Had one of the biggest trading day on live account again. So this will be the biggest one, but I will talk about it in a different video. This one will be a trade breakdown. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't joined the Discord. And this is why, because we're able to understand price to a point where I can help you if you don't know what you're doing, or if you need some struggles, because I was struggling. I just want to help more people. This is the trade that we took. It's a breaker, and I was looking for a price to come back here. I literally sent this out telling, hey, I'm looking for retracement, aiming for new week open gap, and I'm looking for a sell model. We extended even further. This is on the 15-minute right here. You can see the 15-minute chart, telling people, hey, I'm waiting for this price to get back in here. I'm waiting for a sell model, aiming down to the new week open gap. That was just us kicking it, chilling, talking about trading and stuff like that. And then here is the call out, right? 15-minute fair value gap, marking as a market sell model right here. Getting in right here. And we just flashed flood to this low in this new week open gap. Call before hand time and all that good stuff. But if you want to learn some more, ask some questions, figure out why I'm trading this X, Y, and Z, join Discord. I'm telling you, we're gonna get you fixed up. And we also got one-on-one sessions in there as well if you want to jump in those. Just DM me about those. So going in today, I will start trading at 10:30. I saw this to me looked like a good sale. I saw a lot of people get, in my opinion, I think a lot of people got faked out. Which is understandable because that's what we do between 9:30 and 10:30. So after seeing all this not run up, not even hold that high, not even just touching midnight, we start going lower. This is market make a sell model. We're jumping lower, targeting that low. Didn't take that because again, I want to start trading to 10:30. So going to 10:30, I saw that we just kept going lower, right? We just shooting lower. So for me, I need to see manipulation. What that means is when I was saying this in the chat or in the Discord, I'm looking for us to generate highs or place a high, and then we take out the high. So as we shooting down to new week open gap, we in the macro 1050, we're shooting back up, right? I'm not taking the buy. I'm bearish for today. We are entering in a 5-minute aura block, breaker, and we're also in a 15-minute fair value gap, right? So there's no reason for me to think. There's no reason for me to trade and go for the higher time, go for up here. I'm just gonna look lower. If I take a loss, I just take a loss, right? I'm just gonna keep looking lower because look at all this price action we're just going to have to reject. I want to see the reaction here, and after that, I'm just going to say that this is the market maker sell model. If you don't understand how this is the market maker sell model, I'm going to again break it down. Again, I broke it down so many times in Discord to understand this model, so you can see. I knew that it was going to do a market maker sell model when we was here. You know what I mean? So you understanding what we're doing before it even happens, you can really get the leg up on the chart. So this is the market maker sell model. Notice how we put this high in, right? These are highs, right? Generate highs. Do not take this trade. We take those people out. You need that. That has to happen. Put in the high, we take those people out. So we got manipulation. So let's see how we react while we coming in here. Notice how we start slowing down, sell side of the curve. This could be your low risk. Oh, this could be a low risk sell. Well, there we go. Let's get it, mark it up, low risk sell. right up in here. I talk about all this time. I don't take that. I either be in the first stage or second stage. In this case, it would be the first stage. So first stage, you could view this as the first stage, or you can view this whole thing as the first stage if you go on if you look on the higher time frame. But me personally, I was looking at this being the first stage of accumulation or first stage of distribution right here. So after we got that, so I saw this. I'm looking at real time, lower sell, seeing that this could be lower sell. Then I saw this displacement. I'm like, okay, cool, that's great. Something else I want to notate as well. I'm gonna zoom in. We have a fair value gap right here. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a fair value gap right there. Losing that as my backdrop, I'm saying, okay, that could be used as a breakaway gap, which is good, right? That means we're going lower. Also on the other side, we have a inversion fair value gap right here. So let's draw this out. Inversion fair value gap right here. So we got inversion fair value gap. This is, we are claiming that this is the market maker sell model. And also to point out, you can't see on my chart, but this is 1030s open. 1030 open is very important to me. Again, join the Discord if you want to know why that's important. But these openings are very important to me because I'm seeing this as a Judah swing. I'm seeing this as a point of interest, as in price went up here. We'll manipulate these opening prices and come back below here. And I'm looking for a distribution of the rest of this hourly candle, which is the 11 o'clock candle. Come back up below this come back below this inversion fair value gap, and this is, I'm literally ready to pull the trigger. If I do pull the trigger, I didn't pull the trigger right there, but I was looking to put my trigger right here, and I was gonna put my stop loss up here because I could see us come back up and manipulating that high one more time. But I was able to get in right here because after we came down and made this an aura block, I was confirming that this is an aura block, and then I was using this as a breaker. On a lower time frame, you look at zoom out. I would zoom in. This is a breaker. So this is a breaker, right? You got oil block right here. OB, right? Up close candle right there. Got below it, close below it. See that reaction? How we cannot even get above here. I'll put my stop. I got in. Put my stop loss right here. Gave it some breathing room above here, just in case we want to go higher one more time. I don't want to get stopped out of the trade. And then, like I said, looking for profits up in this range right here. I think I took out one trade a little bit earlier right there, and then full TP for me would have been right here. The aim for this new week opening gap. But that's the first stage of distribution right here, and then this would be the quote unquote, if you want to name that the first stage of distribution, this would be the second stage. Right, that'd be second stage. And then this will be, and that's why I got in, is the second stage of accumulation. Literally. That is literally what happened. It's the trade that I took, and it was talking about how I took it in real time. All this information went into my brain when I took this trade. And when I'm saying that to people, like, understand, like, and this would be your OG consolidation, original consolidation. So original consolidation just meaning that we're going to trade back into this range, back into here, and this original consolidation. This is a fake low, however you want to call it. And then this, if you notice, what I like about these days like this is it keeps happening, right? So in the next macro, I didn't take this trade, but I'm just kind of looking at it, right? This is the same thing. Just draw this over here, original consolidation, right? Lower sell, first stage distribution right there, getting in this area right here, because this is now we are second stage accumulation. So get your orders in right here, stop loss above here, get your orders in, inversion for value gap right there, or you can use this breaker on lower time frames right here. Notice how we're respecting that order block, down close candle right there, waiting for second stage second stage distribution. Sorry, I don't know why it's not. I guess I don't know, but let me fix that real quick, because that's gonna be annoying. Okay, second stage of distribution right there, and then second stage of distribution. The only thing about this is you can see we shot down, and we just shot all the way aggressively all the way down to the TP. And this one we just gave one more back. We gave one more entry right back at original consolidation. One more entry at this fair value gap, respecting new week opening gap, and then boom, we just literally just tank lower, right? And that's the trades you're looking for, right? You're looking for these trades, or I can, capitalize on this, seeing the model, seeing what we do. And again, I hope this video helps people understand why you need to be knowing what model you're in, because it helps you put leverage on, it helps you know put your stop loss at, helps you understand macros, it helps you everything. And again, I have a way of viewing it, manipulating the 1 hour candle to see discount versus premium. Join Discord again, DM me so you can find out how I'm doing that, because I don't mind teaching it. And this is just a great day, and just super blessed, and we're going to continue to go keep on pushing it. So I'll see y'all in the next one.